My name is Rebecca Thayer. I'm an independent designer, and this is the look that I designed for this year's Met Gala. I wanted this look to be something that paid homage to Karl and the things that I love and do reference in my work. I particularly love a lot of Karl's mid-90s collections and the emphasis on shape and a little bit more of a wider leg. I think there is nothing more comfortable than a jumpsuit, so I love bringing a jumpsuit concept into evening wear, but at the same time having this be more structured, but when in the places that it's quilted, it adds a lot of strength and a lot of shaping to give you that kind of like protective, held feeling, while still going into a beautiful drape in the pant and feeling very feminine. I loved using the idea of crochet here in the hood and the sleeves, using colors that are very reminiscent of what it looks like in the evening in the countryside here in Germany. I embellished the hood specifically with silk organza flowers to give that really beautiful homage to kind of the countryside, but I also love the illusion of the sleeves actually having boning in them to give them support rather than having to be fully attached to the garment. And then of course I had to give a lovely reference to Karl with the fingerless glove. With the pant silhouette, I wanted a very free, oversized look inspired by some of the beach pants that were worn in the late 30s. The idea is for the wearer of this garment to feel really strong and empowered while still comfortable, which is the goal of having the really fluid, super wide pant and this quilting. The quilting was not inspired by Chanel. In a lot of my work, I really love to explore the feeling of armor and protection, and I happen to have this really incredible dead stock metallic tweed that when you quilt it feels very much like armor, and so I emphasize some of that quilting around the edge of the garment with the pocket standing out but then coming into a nice tailored back here. There is an 1880s inspired stay underneath, short stay, that supports the top of the garment, which I think is a really lovely touch against something that's otherwise a little bit harder. And yes, I did even dye my hair to match the full look of the garment, which was quite a bit of dedication. And that's my look for this year's Met Gala.